And so all of us have talents, abilities we can use not only for ourselves, for our own good, but for others. We must recognize we have these talents and what are the opportunities there available for you to be able to serve well others. We make a foundation, a self that knows well things in which you are good. But before we do that, we should also recognize me and God. Because without it, we cannot really serve well in accord with the purpose of the talents we have. So, we must recognize that God gave us these talents. We should thank God. With these talents, I must grow, not only in our day-to-day life, but also spiritually. I should, therefore, develop myself to be able to serve well. Because there are those who have talents who have not served well at the utmost of their ability or capacity. Why? They did not study. They did not know their trade. However, one should know that. It could be what you know it, then have the resources to develop ourselves. Then, right there, you can help others. It is sometimes a waste of talents, a waste of what we have. We are not properly directed to who you really are. What talents do you have for the use of others? But the foundation is you and God. You can serve through your gratitude to God. You can serve others because you are grateful that God gave you these talents, these abilities. And right there, if you really know, you can serve well others, you can help others also to grow. And there, recognize that there is you, not alone, but with God, with others. And we can have a community well done. Can have a community of good Christians, good catechists, good workers, not only in the church, but in the community. Why? Because we know how to channel what we have. And we cannot say that I do not have talents, because it is in the gospel. God gave us, all of us, we have talents. Maybe your talents are not well polished. Well, try to polish it. Try to make ourselves that good. That is why catechists, they have seminars. They have to have knowledge first. There's a saying in Latin, nemo dat quod non habet. You cannot give what you do not have. You must have it first. You feel like teaching others. You're good in that. But what will you teach if you do not have? Have first, then try to share what you have with others. And we must pray to God that He gave us talents, abilities to serve Him, to serve God through others. And may we always be happy with what we have. Because if what you have is fulfilled, then you will be happy. You will not be sad. You are with God. When you do the helping, the caring for others, you will not become irritable. There are those, maybe they have not understood themselves. And when they are teaching, they are doing things, this and that, they become irritable. It's not the way to impart what we have given by God to others. And instead of becoming happy doing this, we are sad. Others will be sad also. Others will be given, instead of good examples, will have bad examples. So it's not just you go and help. Think of us as foundation, you and God and others. Father, Son, Father, Spirit. Amen. Prayer of the faithful.